I'm Callie with Adventure Rig, and Tyson and I just swapped over all of our dirt bike tires to Nitro Mooses. We are saying goodbye to tubes finally, and this project has been made a lot easier with the Rabaconda 3-minute tire changer. Now, we actually went with the Adventure Kit, which comes with some extras, specifically some adapters for axle sizes as well as tire irons. Specifically this 5-piece Pro tire iron set, which we absolutely dig, and 2 17-inch tire irons as well. If you're sick of wrestling your tires on the ground, on your hands and knees, this is the tire changer for you, and let's talk about why. First of all, the height of it. It's a really comfortable working height, as you can see, and just getting everything up off the ground is a huge bonus. After changing out a tire, or maybe you're swapping from tubes to moose, your body doesn't hurt and you're not profusely sweating. Now, one thing that's really important to mention is that when you get this tire changer, watch the video by Rabaconda. It's linked in the description below. They have a technique on how to do this properly. If you just get it and start wrestling with your tires, it's still going to be kind of a frustrating process. So be sure to check out their technique, and the process makes it so much easier. You can follow along step by step and your life will be improved drastically. So that's definitely one of the major talking points of this stand, is just the comfort and the ease of it. Now, one feature that's really awesome to us and what we really like about this stand is that it packs down into its own carrying bag. We move around a lot, and so being able to pack this down into a compact bag is key. You can see that while it's still heavy when you go to pick up the bag, it's all nicely organized in its own bag. In addition to its packability, you can also adjust to wheel sizes from 16 inches to 21 inches. All you have to do is open this lever and slide the leg back to where you need it to be. Another awesome feature is this nice little tire iron tray right here. You can't really tell from behind me, but I like to be organized, and having this tire iron tray right here is awesome. You always know where your tire irons are, they're always in the same spot, and they're easy to reach no matter where you're working on the stand. Next to the tire iron tray, you can see these little levers. I call them a third hand. They're awesome to be able to stick a tire iron underneath there and hold onto a spot for you. You'll also notice this built-in bead breaker, and it's great for breaking the bead, yes, but it's also awesome for pushing the tire off. It makes it such a breeze to be able to just push the tire off without even having to work at all. Now, as I mentioned, we're switching our dirt bike tires over to mooses, and so this is actually the last tire that we did to swap it from tube to moose. But this system will work with mooses, it'll work with tubeless, and it'll also work with a regular tube system. The last major talking point with this stand is price. It's an expensive piece of equipment, but for us, we feel like it's an investment for your time. We just swapped over 4 dirt bike tires, and previously before this stand, that would have taken us hours. This has tremendously cut back on the time, but also changing tires is no longer a daunting process for us because we're not dreading it, because it's easy and it's fast thanks to the Rabaconda tire stand. This tire changer is well built, and your investment will last a lifetime. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below and we'll get back to you. Also, if you're curious where we are or what we're up to, check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Adventure Rig. We're going to be taking the adventure bikes down to Central America here shortly, so be sure to follow along on that adventure. Thanks again for watching. I'm Callie with Adventure Rig.